Saitama is going up in price as we speak, and it's time to go back to the swap portfolio and let's see what's going on right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. We see 76,000 hodlers for Saitama. That means it's good news for the captain spreadsheet. Today is October 17th, 2021, and what's leading the charge is Saitama, Kishu, and Shiba. So let's go ahead and do a quick recap what we did last time. The last time here, which is not that long ago, October 13th, we saw Saitama, Kishu, and once again Shiba doing very well. 114,000 with the total revenue. And here's the assets that I got from a portfolio in terms of swapping. I call this swap portfolio because all these we got from a swap. We've got it from Pancake Swap, Shiba Swap, Uniswap, and also Sushi Swap. I will have a new asset in the swap portfolio on the next update. So you definitely want to watch that as well. So this is what we're currently at, 114,000. And check this out. All these assets, I did my research. So before you invest into something, do your research. And this is where we are right now as we speak in the swap portfolio. Now let's start from the top. Shiba, looking pretty good. It went down in the value just a little bit from the last time we did the update, but we still have a strong $28,848 in total revenue. Bone, we still pretty good strong. We had a nice little movement, but now we went down a little bit on price, but $9,518. We're down $2,525 the last update, which was only about 4 days ago. Leash, and price is going down. The main thing is probably because of those NFT drops that's in the Shiboshi and the Shiba swap. So a lot of people are selling out of their leash, but I'm a long-term leash hodler because I believe in this project. It's still doing pretty good, $6,475, but we decreased $7,800 from the last update. I'm okay because I feel good about this project. Saitama, let's go do this. Saitama is way up today. It's past all-time high, and if I go look at here, the price is $22.65. So really, I can go right here and update this right as we speak, and that's getting close to the 50,000 in revenue for my portfolio. We're up 20,000 from the last update, which is only 4 days ago. As you see here, it was at 29. Now it's at 49 in just some 4 days. Just how powerful this is. Now the tokenomics is working pretty good as well because of all the transactions that are being done on a daily basis, actually by a minute basis, and we got over 1 billion just in 4 days. Now Kishu, I'm pretty good on Kishu. I like the marketing team. I like the NFTs. I like the Kishu swap, and I love the community of Kishu. And that's still be able to do pretty well. Total value of $14,000. That price is starting to go a little bit up from last time. So it's starting to make a nice little move. And we have an increase from the last update of $1,300. But I love the tokenomics. Look at the tokenomics, guys. 11 billion in 4 days. Let me make sure that's right. We'll quote Kishu right there. Let me make sure that's right. That can't be right. That cannot be right. Let me double check my wallet. And that's correct, guys. Look at that. It's correct. If you see that, that is correct. 11 billion tokenomics in 4 days. That's crazy. But let's go ahead and continue. Ryoshi Vision, I'm a big fan of Ryoshi Vision. They are going to be involved in the music industry. I love the team of it. I do like the team. It's very solid. And it's definitely starting to make some moves here. But it did decrease in price from the last update. But we have a total value of $2,452. I need to add in the additional tokens. Once they drop that in my Shiba swap, that number will go up as well in terms of a number of tokens. Safe Moon, I'm still a long-term into Safe Moon. Tokenomics only 389,000 in 4 days. The price is going up just a little bit, but I'm long-term on Safe Moon. I do like Safe Moon. I do. Everwise is probably one of the most underrated asset in this whole bunch. They're doing a lot of different things in terms of the ever growing situation. I like the ecosystem of Everwise. You need to go check this out, Everwise, if you haven't already. and they are moving slowly than that you would want it to move. But I like long term, $4,169. I'm looking that to grow even higher in the next 6 months. Fake tokens, once again, I like fake token, 105 billion tokens of that. The tokenomics, I need to add those in there. I'll add that in the next episode. But check this out. Fake token, even though it's $623, I do think, once again, that's a nice long-term hold, mainly because it's dealing with the DeFi network. Baby Doge is the only baby that I really like in terms of all this assets going on. I did research into some other baby tokens. I wasn't a big fan of them, but Baby Doge is probably one of the only ones that I've seen I like. And so we upped our position weeks ago up into 1 trillion. And now we have a double in actually value. Remember, we got Baby Doge was $700. Now it's $1,500. Let me see if I do have that, because $1,900, and we have, look at this. You see Baby Doge $898. I think that's the one we first, no, look at this. Look at this, guys. Baby Doge was $573 September 27th. September 27th. And look at this, about not even a full month, it's at, what is this? $1,500. That almost more than triple in value. And even though it went down a little bit, but I'm really up in profit, and we're still getting those tokenomics because it has solid tokenomic values. It's solid. It's solid. Kai, I just got in that maybe not that long ago. It's still to me, it's a long-term project. They got a really good dev team behind it. And that team is also by another token that I'm really bullish about called Etoro. And I'll definitely be adding that in my portfolio probably on the next update. And once again, it's from a swap. It's going to be from Sushi Swap, just to let you know. So that'll be 4 swaps that we'll be involved in terms of these assets. But what I'm looking at is it's up a little bit, $259. The price is going up a little bit. I got a good position in Kai. I like the whole Klee run aspect to it. You play as you run. No, you earn as you play. So Kai, absolutely. Little Timmy probably liked that one over there. Little Timmy he likes a little jokes and things like that. But anyway, I like the tokenomics there. It's pretty solid. Is that right? 10 billion? Wow. That's a lot of tokens you're getting like in 4 days. Sometimes I had to do a flashback when I look at these tokens. And the last one here is Jetstar. I like Jetstar. And matter of fact, Jetstar is up 22% of the day. Jetstar is dealing with the NFT projects. They also have a good art team, a really good art team. I got a chance to talk to the people behind the scenes on Jetstar in terms of a lot of the development behind the scenes, and I'm very, very impressed. This is a long term for me. I'm looking to add more to my position here, and they are really talented. So it's something to really look at. So right now we got 119,000. Let me look at the price of Saitama. It's still going up and down, but I'm going to keep it on 2265. So we have 119,000 in a total swap portfolio at the recording of this video, October 17th, 2021. I'll be back probably in the next couple of days to give you another update on the swap portfolio. And remember, I record everything if we're up or down, because I want to show you, be transparent with you exactly what I have and how it's good to track what you invest into. Always invest what you're willing to lose, and also do your research before you invest. Literally, I'm getting all this from a swap. I'm putting in a spreadsheet and I'm showing you exactly what's going on. So I'm very excited about the beginnings of this. Actually, I think this is off a little bit. Let me take this off. I think that was off a little bit. I think that's a little off. That look a little different. But anyway, 119,000, and we're still counting. And I'll see you on the next update. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next update.